have to kill him. I'm over here at Cousin Caleb's. We squirrel hunting. Got the FX Impact custom from Utah Airguns here, 30 caliber, 45 grain at about 870, and I got the Karma Red Panda, which I'll show you later, 30 cal, shooting 45 grain at 960, and we've already killed 2. Got it on video, the camera here, and there's at least 2 more that we've already seen. Just ain't gonna get shots at. In fact, that one right there I can see. He's about to die here in just a second. Caleb's about to end him. But yeah, we're out here waxing them, so y'all stay tuned and watch the footage. He stopped moving. Yeah, he's right there in the crack of that. You see him? Got him. Smoked him. In his own video.
I'm good whenever you are.
So we won't slow down. Alright, I'm gonna have to kill him. You on him? I hit a tree limb.
I'm still on him.
I see blood coming out of his head. I cut a tree limb straight in half on that first shot.
Get him. Oh yeah. Perfect.
You're on him?
Yep.
Alright, are you on him?
Yep.
As soon as he stops moving. Right through the dome. And that is 4. 2 with the Impact, 2 with the Karma. Let's go.